Okay, this is going to be checkpoint number 4. This is on page 992. So let's get my whiteboard. This question is asking you for the sum of the first 9 terms of the sequence. So this is a sequence, a series, so it's the addition of all the numbers, but it's to a specific term. So you remember, hopefully, from the notes, or if you didn't see the notes, this is your first time seeing it, we have a formula for that. The nth partial sum, which means the sum of a certain subset of numbers in the series, is A1 times 1 minus r to the n get that in looking good. It looks bad, but it's okay. Divided by 1 minus r. Now this is when you have a certain, you're looking for the nth partial sum. This is not for an infinite series. This is for a limited first 8 terms, or, you know, from this term to that term. So in this case, we are looking for this sequence here, which is 2, -6, 12, no, 18, excuse me, -54, etc. So you are looking for the sum of the first 9 terms, which means, again, let's talk about realistically here. If you want to write out the first 9 terms and then add them all together, you can do that. But this formula will do it for you. All you need is A1 and R, and then you're good. So A1 is this, right? That's the first term. And R is what we're multiplying by. In this case, it's -3. And you can check that. We're multiplying by that every single time. So this is going to be R. That's going to be A1. So now we just plug in everything. We're looking for the first 9 terms. So this is 9. So the sum of the first 9 terms is going to be A1, which is 2, times 1 minus -3 to the 9th divided by 1 minus -3. And now I'm going to go grab my calculator, because this is something you have to type in your calculator to solve. Let me make a quick correction on what I just said. You don't have to type this into your calculator to solve it. I mean, you could power your way through this, but it sure would be silly to do this. So 1 minus -3 to the 9th over 1 minus -3. And you get 9,842. So that's like a doable number, but I mean, it is just 3 to the 9th alone. 9, 8, 4, 2. And like that, I mean, -3 to the 9th is -19,183. And then 1 minus that, 19683. You're ending up with then times 2, then divided by 4. So I mean, like, the process is not impossible, but you literally have the capability of typing in this exact like thing. You can type this in, just boom, into your calculator. So there's no reason not to. Alrighty.